Dear children, welcome to 3rd standard science class. Today our lesson is animal life. Animal life means விலங்கு வாழ்க்கை. Fauna is all of the animal life present in a particular region or time. The corresponding term for plant is flora. Flora, fauna and other forms of life such as fungi are collectively referred to as biotic. What is the purpose of animal life? They provide us with milk, fiber, companionship, and an energy source. Animals in different environment. Our earth provides place for lakhs and lakhs of animals to live. The living place of an animal or a plant is called habitat. The basic needs such as food, water, shelter, and a place to breed are found in a habitat. Habitat can be as big as a forest or as small as a leaf. Animals live in different conditions. For example, whales live in sea and foxes live in forest. Here, sea is the water habitat, forest is the land habitat. Animals divided into some categories according to their habitat. They are terrestrial habitat, water habitat, arboreal habitat, aerial habitat, amphibious habitat. Terrestrial habitat. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Example, ants, cats, and lion. Some of the land habitats are plains, forest. Plains are the habitat of animals such as rat, cow, camel, hen, etc. Second one is the forest. Forests are the habitat of animals such as deer, fox, bear, bison, etc. Water or aquatic habitat. Animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Example, fish, dolphin, and crab. Water habitat is divided into two types, that is freshwater and marine water. Marine water means sea water. Freshwater habitat. Pond, lakes, and river are freshwater habitats. Many animals such as tortoise, mussel, fish, and crab live here. Seawater. This is salty water. Seas and oceans are the saltwater habitat. They inhabit animals such as shark, jellyfish, sea snake, starfish, etc. Arboreal animals. Animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. Example, monkey, squirrel. Aerial animals. Animals that can fly most of the time are called aerial animals. Example, crow, dove. Amphibious animals. Animals that need both land and water to live are called amphibians. Example, toad, frog.